here we go. Same process. I'm going to label the sides. H, A or O? Davey, A or O? Yeah. Yeah. I asked you because you weren't listening. I said A or O, and you said C. The answer is O, and Davey, it's because it is opposite the angle that's been marked. Keep watching. Keep watching. Now, every time you do a trig problem, you should have these three triangles drawn up, and you'll get very quick at drawing them. Sin O over H, cosine A over H, tan O over A. This one deals with O and H. So straight away I've identified which function I'm going to use, sine function. The unknown is x or in effect O, the opposite side. So again, cover up the O in your mind. Okay, cover that up with your finger or whatever. And you've got sine of the angle, which is sine of 40, multiplied by the hypotenuse, which is 8. Take a calculator. And type in this. Sine 40. Oops. I'm actually going to go 8 times sine 40, right? There's a sine button there. Sine 40. Execute. Now, before I press execute, have a guess at what you think the number's going to be. Ash, what do you think? What size do you think this will be? Less than 8, thank you. So does 5.9 sound reasonable? By the way, if this angle here was 45, right, this angle is 45, not 40, this would be 5.9, or be slightly bigger. But this side here would also be the same size. It'd be a isosceles triangle. Because it's less than 45, this is the shortest side, this is the next longest, and then the hypotenuse is the longest. Okay, next question, letter B. Okay, you're going to have to do letter C in a minute, so watch carefully. 90 degrees, 50 goes there, X goes there, 10 goes there. Matthew's going to tell me what to do. Okay, just listen, Matthew, that's all I've asked you to do. H goes there, right, because it's opposite the 90. A goes there because it's next to the 50. I'm dealing with H and A. Which trig function? Cosine. I'm looking for the A. Cover up A. And because cosine of the angle is next to the h, like this, side by side, we times, and we go 10 times cosine 50. We pick up a calculator, and you do need a calculator for this subject or this topic. 10 cosine button 50. Is that right? Execute. 9.6. Check my answer. Does 9.6 sound about right? So 9.7 was it? The units are meters. Now, in the exam later this year, they will reset your calculator so that you can't store any information on it. And sometimes, or actually with the graphics calculator, it puts it in the wrong mode. So if those with the graphics calculator, and it applies to the scientific one as well, you need to just check the setup. So shift menu, it should be in degrees. See that angle here? That should be in degrees. I wonder if my answers are incorrect. How come no one told me? Because I'm the teacher and I'm always right? So, in the exam, had I not checked this, I would have got the 2 achieved questions wrong. Had I not checked it. So this, what I'm telling you now, is really, really important. No, it also applies to the scientific calculator, but it's a different way of changing it. So the angle can be in radians or it can be in degrees. If you reset your calculator, which obviously this calculator has been reset, it automatically goes to radians. You need to change it to DEG. On the scientific calculator, it's a small d on the top of the screen. If it's a small g, if it's a small r, if it's a small r up there, you'll have it'll be in radians. So you need to go to the mode and change it. So mine's now in degrees and it'll work. If I push equals again, notice I've now got a better answer, 6.4 and not 9.6. 6.4 is correct because it's in degrees. That was great teaching right there. Showed the wrong way. This should be 6.4. Your turn.